Hello guys and welcome. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how can we resolve XAMPP error that is related to Apache server, and it says Apache shutdown unexpectedly. So without further talking, let's start. And first of all, I'm going to access my XAMPP control panel. Okay, just like that. Okay, so as you can see, it is prompting us right here, Apache problem detected, Apache port 80 in use. This means that port 80 is already in use by any other software. So in my case, I'm using a lot of software. So maybe one of those software is using port 80. That's why Apache server is not able to start, because it is using port 80 as well. So maybe that's the case for you as well. So what you are going to do is, first of all, I'm going to show you an example. Let's start the Apache server so that you can see it is going to shut down unexpectedly. Okay, so what can we do right here? So let me show you the SQL as well. So SQL is working fine. Okay, now what we need to do is, in order to fix the Apache error, simply you need to click on this config right here and then access Apache httpd.config right here. Okay, then I'm going to do Control F. Okay, and I'm going to search for the port 80. As you can see, it says listen. So, and you can see the hash. So it means that it is commented out. So I'm going to look for another one. Sorry for that. Okay, so right here just below it, you can see listen 80. So I'm going to change it to 8000, just like that. Okay, after that I'm going to do one more time. Okay, so right here you can see server name localhost colon 80. So I'm going to change this one as well to 8000, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to save it. Okay guys, so once it is done, you can simply save it, close it. Okay, and now let's try to start the XAMPP control panel. So start and start. As you can see, it's already started. So in order to verify this, you can simply go to Google right here and try to access phpMyAdmin. Okay, or the XAMPP dashboard right here. So let's try the phpMyAdmin as well. So it's working fine right now. Okay, so this is how you can fix this error. If your port 80 is in use, you can define any port you want, which is free. Just make sure that the port you are defining right here is free. Okay guys, so yeah guys, that's about it from this specific video. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.